Now let's play with one more idea. Alright, so let's say if I have this one cheese slice here. You see, one cheese slice is also the same as 3 out of 3. But let's say if I were to cut this into two parts, you see. Now this slice here is cut into two parts. And let's say if I have another slice here. So you see this is 1 out of 2 and this is 3 out of 6 equal parts. Okay, or there are 6 equal parts, you take away 3. There are 2 equal parts, you take away 1. Either ways, 1 half and 3 6. There is something interesting here. You see, actually, the size of it is absolutely the same. So you see, 1 out of 2 or 3 out of 6 is actually the same size. And let's say if I were to increase this further, now take a look here. So 1 out of 2 is the same as 2 out of 4. So let's say I now break the cheese into 5 parts. Now take a look. Of course, these two are the same, but now if on the right side, if I were to break it into 10 parts and take away 2 from them, so you see 2 out of 10 or 1 out of 5 is actually the same size. You see the size is the same. It doesn't matter. So how can you relate both of this? So can I see if I multiply this by 2? So inside one piece, of course, I'm going to cut into two parts. And therefore, all of the 5 will also be multiplied by 2 because 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. There'll be 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. Therefore, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So there'll be 2 out of 10, right? So 2 out of 10 and 1 out of 5 is actually the same size. So if I make this, if I increase this further, and now you see 2 out of 5 is the same as 4 out of 10. Or 3 out of 5 is the same as 6 out of 10. Why? Because in each there are two pieces. Therefore, this becomes 2, 2, 2. Therefore, 6 here. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. So this is 6 out of 10 and this is 2 out of 5. So it's interesting that 3 apples cannot be the same as 4 apples. But 2 by 5 can be the same as 6 by 10 because this is a part of a whole. So you can cut it into as many pieces as you like and still come to the same size of the fraction. So please keep this in mind. So now if I have 4 parts and this is 3 out of 4 and now this is 9 out of 12. Let's understand each of these 3 parts I broke into 3 3 3. So all of the parts are broke into 3 parts, therefore 3 times 3 and of course all of the parts into 3. Out of that we take these 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 3 is 12, right? So this is 4 times 3 inside and this is 3 times 3 inside. So it becomes 9 by 12. You see 9 by 12 is actually the same as 3 by 4 because I multiplied it, or I can say inside that I cut it in the same number of pieces. So please remember 3/4 is the same as 9 out of 12. So this is the important idea is two fractions, different numbers actually mean the same thing, the same size, the same part, total part of that whole.